Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm here to take you to Bugga waterfalls, which is about 80 kilometers from Hyderabad. So what are we waiting for? Let's start our journey. We started around 10 in the morning, though that was not the plan. We actually wanted to start early in the morning to enjoy the sunrise at Bugga waterfalls. It's a perfect day ride to have fun riding on highway and village roads. As you can see, the roads were really amazing and view was spectacular. We reached our destination around 11 and to reach the waterfall we had to trek for almost half an hour, which was amazing and the view was eye-catching. Then we reached Bugga waterfalls and I have to say it was so beautiful. Cool breeze and refreshing water was very relaxing. This place makes a perfect spot to spend time with your friends along with the nature. We spent nearly 3 hours in the waterfalls and started our journey back home. Well, I hope you have liked this video. If so, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care, stay safe and sayonara.